Hey, how's it going? I'm Rachel. Now that you got yourself a set of wheels, head over to my garage. And don't bother looking for races, because there's nothing going on. And don't keep me waiting again. See you there. Hey, yo, man, I gotta hand it to you back there. That was nice. But here's a little tip for you now that you got your feet wet. They don't care how you won, just by how much. The bigger the gap between you and the other guy when you cross the finish line, the better your rep. A film crew from Drift Factory hanging out looking for their next showboy. Get out there and give them something to be happy about. Get your ride into the zone and move it around while changing the angle of the camera. When you're happy with the setup, press the camera button and take the shot. What you snap will show on the cover of the next mag. Now get at it. You don't have all night.